Hello. So I'm going to be bringing you all a skincare routine video. I'm currently in my bathroom and just going to get started with the water. Just going to run for a second because I like to let it warm up a little bit. I don't like to let it be too hot because if it's too hot, that's going to cause a little extra tension on your skin. And I'm going to be using my Clarisonic. And I'm going to be using the Biore Charcoal Deep Pore Oily Skin Cleanser. And in my blog, where the link will be listed below, I go in more detail as to why I prefer to use charcoal cleansers. Just gonna wet my face. Start on my cheek, and that's the first area, so I'm just gonna turn this on. So when I'm cleaning my T-zone, I just move back and forth from my nose to my forehead or from my chin to my nose. And to dry, just using a face towel. And as you can see, I just blot dry. And I'm blotting because it puts less tension on the skin. If you rub your face and pull at it to dry it, that's going to stretch your skin out. And then at an early age, or earlier than you should, you'll start to see more lines, like fine lines and wrinkles. And always be sure to use either a face towel or a washcloth or something that you're not using on any other part of your body, including your hands. So if that's the same towel that you use to dry your hands after you've washed your hands in the bathroom, that's not a good towel to use. So for my face mask, I'm going to be using the Peter Thomas Roth, and this is the Irish Moor Mud Mask. It's a purifying mask. It has charcoal in it as well. It's like gross looking, but it works wonders. And it's going to help detoxify my pores and give me a deep cleanse and then rejuvenate. Okay, I went ahead and finished putting the mask on the rest of my face, as you can see. So what the mask does, it's purifying, refining, decongesting, and hydrating. Mask with odorless Irish Moor mud. It draws out dirt, oil, and impurities. Helps minimize the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles, leaving your skin looking pure, fresh, hydrated, and radiant. Don't you want to book me for your commercial? But again, I go more in detail about the perks of charcoal, and I do that in my blog, again, which is listed below in the description box. But in there, I let you know that pretty much charcoal as an ingredient, it naturally purifies, decongests your pores, and helps with the radiance and the glow. So I'm gonna hop in the shower, and then I'll be right back. And when I'm in the shower, after I'm done washing up, that's when I'm going to rinse everything off. Be right back. Okay, I am back. And now it's just time to moisturize. When you see me keep stepping back, that's because all my basket is back. The items that I like to use to moisturize, I like to use a face oil. And I use the Palmer's Cocoa Butter face oil and the Ambi Fade Cream. Both of those are going to help keep me hydrated and moisturized, but also help as far as the pigmentation, the hyperpigmentation and the discoloration that I have. And that's the only discoloration that I have, is really just the old scars from previous breakouts. And like, regardless of whether I pick them or not, whenever I get a breakout and it goes away, it's going to leave a scar. So I try to minimize that as much as possible. With the face oil, I just do about 4 drops, rub my hands together, and then just apply that. And I know because I'm oily, and you may be oily too, but oil begets oil. So it's not uncommon to use a face oil if you are in fact oily. And the same goes for moisturizing. Don't think that because you are naturally oily or oily in some areas that you don't need to moisturize. You always need to moisturize. If you don't, your skin is going to think that, oh, I'm thirsty, so I have to create more oil. So you're going to actually be even more oily than naturally you would. And for the Ambi, I put about that much in my hand, and I don't need that much because obviously I applied the face oil first. And I just apply that all over. And I have the same routine morning and night. The only thing that differs in the morning, I don't use my Clarisonic. And I don't use my Clarisonic in the morning because it gives a deeper cleanse. And I don't need that in the morning because all I did was go to sleep. So just going in with my hands and the charcoal wash is good enough because it has like little micro beads and it gives me like a gentle exfoliation and cleanse so that any of the rejuvenated cells that I had overnight as I slept, I'm able to shed those and wash them away in the morning. So I have like this new, morning glow, morning dew, if you will. So that's it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to drop them below in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Toodles.